order some samples. I got the different samples, see the different colors, see the product. After I did that, I had a handful of the decorators, certified pros reach out to me.
And so got the information, I accepted the lead, so I got the contact information of the homeowner, and then emailed him. We went back and forth a couple times and decided to come out for a consultation.
And he was, really easy to work with and kind of knew what I wanted to do and had some good ideas that I hadn't thought of. It was kind of like, all right, now I got a guy that I know he does good work. I know he's using the best product. So it actually worked out perfect.
This is the biggest square footage porch we ever done. It has lots of amenities and features, which is unique. And it came in originally through the decorator's lead program. So he was interested in just the decking product, and we ended up getting one of our biggest jobs out of it.